One concept I often try and teach in the language is the idea of having one kind of simple or base sentence in your head for each different topic or concept. So let's take the idea of needing something in Irish. That can often throw people off. If I have a sentence like, we didn't need help, that's quite tricky. It's past tense, it's negative, it's not first person either. So people get thrown off and they start guessing words or kind of spitfiring words related to the idea of needing. But the chances of them lining up perfectly and you getting right are very slim. So it has to be based off some logic. So let's just remember one fairly simple sentence for need. I need water, tá uisce ag tastal wem. So it's first person, it's positive, present tense, the easiest form you can get of any kind of verb or sentence. Tá uisce ag tastal wem. Water is lacking from me, therefore I need water. So even if that seems completely different to we didn't need help, it's the exact same sentence structure. So let's change one to the other. Tá uisce ag tastal wem. I need water. If I was to put that past tense, all I do is change the verb to past. So bhí uisce ag tastal wem. Now it's not water that we're talking about here. We're talking more so about help. So bhí cabhair ag tastal wem. I needed help. Bhí cabhair ag tastal when. We needed help. And then I need to change the full thing to negative. So ní raibh cabhair ag tastal when for we didn't need help. So that shows you it's the same idea. It's the same sentence just with different words, maybe a different tense, might be a different person we're talking about, might be second person or third person singular instead of first person singular. But having a sentence like that, for example, tá madra agam, I have a dog, for possession, even if you're saying something way more complicated, like the people living on Australia did not have enough money, it's still the exact same constituent parts. You're just subbing in a different subject, a different object, different tense, different positive or negative, whatever it may be. So if you can remember ones like that, tá an obair déanta agam, I've done the work, for the perfect tense, then it's going to help you a lot. Base all of your translations off a logic and off a fairly simple, straightforward example.